Boom shakalaka, Bitcoin, buy the rumor, sell the news, a shocking realization of what's to come. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including a shocking realization of what is to come. You definitely want to stay tuned. Before we get into it, guys, like the video, come join us on Twitter at @CryptoLove, and subscribe to the channel. Now, today, fear and greed at 71, pretty much going sideways in the 70s for the past month. The overall market sideways today. Bitcoin at 66,363, Ethereum at 35.50, BNB at 604, Solana 144, XRP 49 cents, Dogecoin 13 cents, Toncoin 793, and Cardano 41 cents. Now, Bitcoin sitting at very critical levels right now, sitting on the 50-day moving average, this yellow line right here, just underneath the 100-day moving average. As a matter of fact, getting squeezed between both of them right now, and just above a long-term trend support, which as of today is at 65.2. Will this be support for Bitcoin, or will Bitcoin break down and then potentially find the bottom of this bull flag channel and also the 200-day moving average? Don't particularly know, but let's take a look at some scenarios. Well, if we take a look, liquidations have started. If the next cluster of long liquidations provide more fuel to downward momentum, we could go back to 62.5 to purge them all. Coincidentally, that's the same exact levels we were talking about right here. So, also you have to consider right now, well, it's summer. Historically, sell in May, go away. If we take a look, all of these blue, purple highlighted areas are summers for Bitcoin, and pretty much they just go sideways. The rest of the year things go up and down, but summers, things just go sideways. So what's the difference with this summer? Maybe nothing. Maybe it's just going to go sideways once again for this summer until the end. Right now, Bitcoin is still sitting above the short-term holder cost basis. Right now at 63.7, we're at 66 and change. Sometimes this can be support on the way up in a bull market. Maybe it's just a rest before making a new high, which we've seen in previous cycles, that at previous all-time highs, Bitcoin rests for a little while before taking off once again. This is just a consolidation period. A lot of old holders are selling. New holders may be accumulating. Whales are definitely accumulating right now. And eventually, things will take off once again. We're finding support right now on the bullish institutional bias. It's testing this once again, which is done many times, kind of like a short-term holder cost basis on the way up in a bull market. So nothing new there. But if we take a look right here, the Bollinger Band width is dropping. Now, historically, this drops until Bollinger Band width goes up as price goes up as well. So we are headed towards an area where we would likely see a big price move. Now, it is possible there could be a price move down, but more likely in a bull market, price move would be going up, because you have to remember where we are in the long-term log scale of things based on this. And again, this is just a model. Models are sexy until they're wrong, or something like that. I don't know what the saying is. But upper limits would be $200,000 to $300,000. Lower limits for next cycle, $50,000 to $70,000. So we're between there. Not bad. The upper limit sounds nicer. We hope it could go up there and stay up there, but it may not. Now, altcoins also suggesting that the bull cycle is beginning. As you can see in past cycles, 2016 and 2020, the bull market lasted at least 1 year since the first green bar. We have 4 green bars right now, meaning we have at least 8 more months of this bull market, potentially longer. So the next year could be quite spectacular. I would bet come September, there's going to be some fireworks, but, could be wrong. Now, you have to remember, initially, Bitcoin was a measurement of energy. Just a friendly reminder, the fair value is represented by its energy value for Bitcoin remains over $80,000, so buying Bitcoin now will be buying Bitcoin at a discount. Now, energy price is a derivative from an equation that's mathematically independent to Bitcoin's trading price and volume. And just a reminder as to what can happen. True story Williboo tells here. The original price of Bitcoin was determined solely on energy value, not trading. The first Bitcoin pump happened when price discovery pivoted to demand and supply. Went from 7 cents to $1.36, 19x in 1 day, based on speculation, based on energy. Now, just that alone, you would already, I don't know, what's that, like you get a fifth more, 20% increase from $68,000 to $80,000. But there's the potential for something much bigger. You've probably heard of a saying, buy the rumor, sell the news. Well, how about this rumor? Rumors are that some central banks are buying Bitcoin, maybe to hedge against inflation and energy and all these other different things. You aren't prepared for what's coming. A lot of people think that maybe there's a log like this one. They think there's a log form for Bitcoin, but what if it is an S-curve exponential growth type of thing? Because after all, it is an asset of fixed value. Once people discover that, all of a sudden the price starts going up dramatically to the millions, the tens of millions, the hundreds of millions, billions, even higher. So things could explode very rapidly for Bitcoin. And it's one of those things, you don't want to be caught on the wrong side. The price could go down, but it could very likely go up as well. So that's all for this episode. If you enjoyed it, like the video, come join us on Twitter at TheCryptoLove. Subscribe to the channel. And YouTube says you should watch that video right there. And if you don't, I don't know what to tell you. I'll catch you later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.